Thousands of parameters being controlled in real time across process industries, ranging from oil and gas to chemicals, from pharmaceuticals to food processing. And it all happens here in these DCS marshalling cabinets. Can they be made less cluttered, smaller and safer? With Connectwell's new CY series screw clamp fuse terminals, we address these problems of wiring 2-wire, 3-wire and 4-wire sensors and actuators with I/O modules. Traditionally used unsafe and cluttered daisy chain wiring can be replaced with simple pluggable jumpers in the new CY series fuse and feed through terminals with a 2-channel jumpering feature. For simple 2-wire sensor connections, double-level fuse terminals can be used to replace individual fuse and feed through terminal, saving 50% space on the DIN rail. Smart jumpering is also provided on all levels. To connect 3-wire devices with ground protection, a triple-level terminal block with a unique functional capability on each of the levels replaces 3 terminals and saves 66% of space on the DIN rail. Each of the levels can be bussed by using standard pluggable jumpers. To connect the more complex 4 sensors and actuators HART protocols, a 4-level fuse terminal with integrated ground function is an ideal solution, saving 75% space on DIN rail. These terminals also help in simplifying circuit identification. Why is all this such an important breakthrough? By saving space on the DIN rails, these terminal blocks give you room for future expansion. Additionally, space savings on DIN rails also translates into overall reduction in cabinet dimensions, saving expensive space inside the control building. The high-performance CY series terminal blocks have been certified by all international standards and have 5 different HAZLOC certifications, making these CY series terminal blocks an ideal choice for DCS marshalling applications in all process industries.